Gina Haspel has been selected by the Trump administration to serve as Deputy Director of the CIA, making her the first woman to be chosen for the leadership role. CIA Director Mike Pompeo announced President Trump's decision on Thursday afternoon. Gina is an exemplary intelligence officer and a devoted patriot who brings more than 30 years of agency experience to the job. She is also a proven leader with an uncanny ability to get things done and to inspire those around her, Pompeo said in a statement. "We are fortunate that someone of her intellect, skill, and experience will be our deputy director. I know she will do an outstanding job, and I look forward to working with her closely in the years ahead." Haspel is a 32-year veteran of the intelligence agency, including a number of years spent overseas, which Director of National Intelligence James Clapper harped on in his response to the news. She has the broad-gauged experience from both foreign and domestic assignments to serve as the right arm for Director Pompeo, Clapper said in a statement. "I am particularly gratified, since she has also been a strong proponent for integration, not only within CIA, but across the intelligence community." While based in Washington, Haspel was named a Deputy Director of the National Clandestine Service and of the National Clandestine Service for Foreign Intelligence and Covert Action, in addition to being appointed Chief of Staff for the Director of the National Clandestine Service, and in the Counter-Terrorist Center. What a wonderful choice for Deputy Director, one that will be celebrated by current and former agency officers alike, former CIA Director Michael Hayden said. Ms. Haspel has responded with dignity, professionalism and honor to everything the agency and nation have asked her to do. I am sure that she will be for Director Pompeo what Steve Capes was for me, a trusted friend, lieutenant and guide to the sometimes opaque corridors of American espionage. Please comment below and share this news. And feel free to sign up now for the News Exposed newsletter to get breaking exposed news, and more, delivered straight to your inbox. It's News Exposed signing off.